Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
MPA, nothing but the transition of MPT Act. See, Major Protest Act issued in 1963. After the 50 years already completed. If the things are changing, everything has been changed. Earlier it was all manual operated, now everything mechanized operated. Now the business, earlier it was only government code, now private codes are there. To cope up with the requirement of the government code to survive, some changes is required. More autonomy is required. We have to decide our own tariff. So that we can compete with this one, what you call private courts. And now today's concept is that landlord model, because government is not able to run a business. So they want to give free hand to the private. So go ahead with the government model. That's why to facilitate that, this act has come. Nothing special in this is one thing. Just taking into consideration of today's requirement, some modification has been done.
गतिशक्ती पोर्टला वरवीं फाटले दशकभर अडकून उरिल्ले प्रकल्प तडीक लागतले तशेंच नवे प्रकल्प खंय चालीक लावंक सोंपे जातले.
We got a lot of projects. It is interlinked with the other ministries. For example, if you want port development, if you want a road connectivity, if you want a railway connectivity, if you want to connect with the customs, you want to connect with the immigration. So, by integrating everybody, so things will move fast. That's the ambition of this one. Because so many projects getting delayed, only interdepartmental, interministerial delays. They don't understand the basic of this one. They are getting delayed. So this is very important that all ministries will come in one portal, understand each other, and will not do any duplicate work.
लोकांचो कल आतां क्रूज हॉलिडेनी दिसता. हे मतींत धरून सरकार क्रुजांचेर भर दिवंक लागल्या.
India got a population 1.4 billion, and India is very one of the fastest growing economy also. We are not getting opportunity from India. Earlier, all our people go to Singapore, Norway to enjoy the cruise. Now, a lot of people are showing interest from Mumbai or Goa to go to Lakshadweep or Maldives. It's already started. It will improve. 100% it will improve. A lot of people showing interest. It's not, you can't consider India is a poor country. You've got money to spend.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.